I didn't bring the stand, but first of all, good evening, hey, everybody at YouTube. Dave here, coming up to an evening swim at the pool. I didn't do any exercise today. I just wanted to come by and just do a little bit of swimming. And I didn't realize that we had a cold front coming, and now now it's cold outside. I mean, I raised my hand up and I want to bring it back down to the water because it's cold. I have no idea how I'm going to be able to make it to that door over there. It's freezing cold. And the water is heated right now. The water in the swimming pool is heated. Um, and, you know, that's the good thing about it. It's warm right now. And I don't want to get out of the water. Um, but the longer I stay, oh my gosh. Hopefully there's enough background noise that I can omit that music that's coming out because I don't want to copyright strike. Um, let's go underwater for a little bit. Let's see how it looks like. Um, I'm gonna have to get out. There's 3 people in the jacuzzi right now. I prefer to just go ahead and walk all the way over there and just get in there quick. But there's 3 people in there, and maybe I shouldn't really get in yet. You know, because you know that COVID precautions and stuff like that. But just go underwater for a little bit while. The water is very, very warm. I don't even want to get out. I'm gonna have to get out anyway. But this is it's coming out of the Insta360 Go 2, 64 gigabyte camera. It's an awesome little camera. I think it I think it ended up beating the GoPro Hero 10. I think. I'm not sure. Here, let me turn on this so that way you'll be able to see you. You'll be able to see me better. Um, it's an awesome little camera. I really like it a lot. I didn't think I was because it was such a small thing, but you know what? It ended up pretty good. As you can see, the wind on the plants are, the wind is blowing the plants. It's pretty cold right now. So, um, before I close this video, I want to give a special thanks to Edelyn Barrow. She's my fiance, my girlfriend, but she's my fiance. Um, she said yes, I would marry her. Um, she's not here right now, so kind of like halfway around the world. So, anyways, Edelyn, if you're watching this, I love you very much, and hope to bring you home soon. Um, so we're still waiting for that COVID crap to go away, so we can get back together again. And anyway, it's the people coming up, and a lot of people don't like to be videotaped, so I'm gonna end this. Uh, Tomorrow's my birthday, and I have no idea how old I am. I lost count, but everything is fine here and dandy. And I'm gonna get out already because it's getting kind of cold. Maybe just go to the jacuzzi and relax for a little while. Maybe I'll come out in the jacuzzi. YouTube. I'm not sure if you can hear me because there's a lot of gargling sound, and as you can see, there's a lot of the jacuzzi's in here. So uh, there's, there's other people in here, so they're enjoying themselves. It, it, it's a cold evening. We're talking about maybe the temperatures are coming down to the very, very cold stages, but we're relaxing here in the jacuzzi here at the Gold Gym. So by ending this video, I'd like to thank all of you all for watching this video, and please like and subscribe, and we'll be catching you on the rebound. So as I said, tomorrow I might have the day off because of the special occasion. So y'all have a good night, and God bless.